Hello guys, my name is Paulo. We are the 3D coffee shop. Today I'm going to show you how we can fix some small things in our home that quite often broken or we normally need to fix, or buying something new. Instead of buying, we can quick design and print and make it easier, you know. So this is a kind of thing we going to fix today. So the door handle for the wardrobe in my boys' room. I take this from there. In fact, the hole, you can see the hole is quite bigger now, and the screw is not fitting anymore. And then so it's popping out every time you try to pull the door. The thing is coming out in your hand. So it's not just one, it's like a 5 or 6, because all the handles are the same around the house. And let's do this. Okay, first thing we're going to do, so we open Fusion, and I come here on insert and insert canvas. So I search in my computer. This picture here is the picture for the handle I mentioned to you guys. So we look to the top, put here on this plane, and then we take the caliper and I measure this bottom diameter. It's about 26 millimeters. So we come here, canvases, and then we calibrate. We calibrate from here to here. It's about 26 millimeters. I work in millimeters. Many of you guys from US work in inches. I believe some of you guys also can understand. Okay, and then we come here in this plane, and then we select this. What we can do now is to move. We can edit and move this to be more around the middle here. Yes, okay, like that is fine. And then we draw a center line here, and with the spline tool, we can just come here and create this here. 26 is around 13, right? Mid, half, 13, 13, 13. What's happening? 13. Okay. And then we go up like this. Don't need to be precise. This is a wardrobe door handle. And then we come here. We can just design this like that, like that. And here we can close, double click to close the line, the spline. And then we come here, go up, and spline again. We can make the spline here, and then we can click here, and that's all we need. So now we need just to close this to create this full profile shape. Okay. What we can do now is just to hide the canvas and make any adjustments we may want in this way. So we can just make this, because this is half of the profile, and these will be we will circle this profile around the center line to create the profile we want. And that's it. Now we come here and just select this profile, select the profile, this profile, and select the axis, boom, and then we have the handle. It's very easy. Good. Now what we need to do is to draw the center hole. to draw the center hole, we select the bottom face here and include one cycle about 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters more than enough, because the hole now, it's the hole in the piece is 3.5, so we may just need it to reduce a little to 3 millimeters should be fine. And then we move these until there, 20 millimeters, minus 20, minus 20, good. To avoid the necessity to create supports, we can round all around there. So we have a 3 millimeters diameter. The diameter we put 1.5 to make the rounded. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Insert, we can come here, inspect, selection, and then we select this. This is what I'm talking about. In this way, we don't need to have supports internally here, because then will be quite difficult to remove later on, and that's good. After that, we can remove the analysis, and then here we can also include some radios to be more like this. No, it's too big. Point like 4 or 5, 6, 6 is okay. And here as well. We can put here like 2, just to be little rounded. At the end, all this area we need support anyway, but we will be good. And that's it. From here, we send to our slicer. So let's do this. That's it. Here, what we can do is just select this, and then we can right click on it. That's it. It's placed. Right click on it, clone. I have like, that's it. We can, yeah, it's fine. So I have a 0.6 nozzle in my machine now. Okay, PLA. Yes, that's good. I just want to see 5%. It's too little. Let's put 10 and then select the code. I don't know. Cubic is good. I have many people used to select several profiles for each kind of infill or pattern, or I just change every time I use to, unless I using different material or different nozzle. Then, for example, here you can see I have 0.6 nozzle, and also I have the normal 0.4. That's 0.2 layer height, but yeah, and then that's it. Support, yes, we need on build plate only. Doesn't matter because we don't have any other. We'll put here 40 is fine. Let's see how it does. Boom, and there we go. I will not modify to be, smoother on top. For me, it's fine like this way. Should not be a problem. I like these trees supports, and let's see how it does. It will take 3 hours to do it. So guys, this is the final result. As we saw, the part on top is quite rough, quite I mean, I'm using 0.6 nozzle, so it's also increase the steps once we got these rounded shape on top. There are three solutions for that. One is to change the design, so you can make the top flat, make some kind of rounded shape, but with the top flat. So in this way, it will be like that and no supports at all. I believe this is the best solution in this case, but we will not follow the same profile, the same design as the other handles for the same wardrobe, so it will be a little different. So that's why I keep it this way. The second option will be to sand it. So it's not a big surface, so that's what I did, as you can see here in the video. And the third option will be to change during the slicer, to change the layer height. So in this portion of the part here, you change the layer height. Instead, now I believe 0.4 in my case, because I'm using 0.6 nozzle. So you can go and use like 0.2 or 0.1 layer height, and using these differences between the layers, once reducing the radius, will be less, and then will be not so visible. But at the end, it works, and this is one fixed solution for this tiny problem. So thank you. I highly appreciate if you can subscribe, leave your comments below, tell me if you have any problems in your home that you can fix, can give me some idea, can give some feedback. That's the idea here. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel, and let's work together to make some home improvements. Thank you. Have a good one. See you in the next one. Bye.